In today's video, I'm going to go through how you can change the images associated with your courses or memberships in the LifterLMS course or membership catalog. So as you can see here, I'm in the course catalog for this website, and I have 3 courses available here. And let's jump into how you can change those. So to start out, we'll head to the WP admin by opening this in a new tab here. Head to the WP admin dashboard area, and then I'm going to want to hover over courses here and click on that. And then, as you can see here, I have the 3 courses listed, social media marketing, investing, and the quizzes course, all right here. And for this example, I'll change the social media marketing course. So what I'm going to want to do is head to Edit on the social media marketing course here, and it's going to open up the whole course editor. And we can see here that there's a lot of options here, but what we're going to be looking for is the featured image. So we can see on the side here under document, we're going to be looking for this featured image. And if this sidebar isn't here for you, you can easily open that up by clicking on this settings icon at the top there. And you can also click the X to close that out. But what I'm going to want to do is head to the featured image area. And we can see that's the featured image being shown on my course catalog here. And if I want to replace the image, I can simply click on it and then click a different image in my media library. I'll click select on that, and then I'll update my course here. And then once that's good to go, I'll head back to my course catalog here. I'll refresh, and we should see that image switch out there. So yeah, that's how you can change out the images in your course catalog or membership catalog in LifterLMS. And one thing, tip with these featured images is you're going to want to make them the same dimensions so they all have a kind of uniform look to them. As you can see here, this image is a little bit larger. It's a little taller than this one here. So you're going to want to have the same like 3:4 ratio or 4:4 ratio with all your images. My site's not the greatest example of that. As you can see, this one's a little smaller than this, and then that one's a little larger. But that's just a tip to keep in your back pocket when creating featured images for courses and memberships. This has been Will Middleton from WPCourseGuide.com. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.